counter?
No.
It's a little bit cheese for themselves, okay?
Okay.
Cheese? I think I missed.
Welcome to Learning League. Welcome to Learning League.
Welcome to Learning League. Ow. Welcome to Learning League.
That's true.
I'm Drew. And
yeah.
We are going to
Mommy's over there. And actually, we're gonna make some pizza.
That's right.
Which pizza?
But we're gonna make blindfolded pizza.
Yeah.
So Sophia's gonna be walking me around the kitchen.
Yeah.
Helping
I'm
me.
not gonna cook by myself.
No, Sophie wouldn't cook by herself because
Oh,
that's
no.
a grown-up thing.
I can't read. If there's instructions.
Gonna be tough. I don't know if
I can't read.
hopefully she remembers how to make a pizza because we've made it before. So
I know how to make a pot.
So she's gonna teach me how to do it blindfolded. So she's gonna walk me around. I can hear her. I just can't see anything.
Okay, so the one thing I'm gonna say before I start this, are you going to eat the pizza no matter what happens?
Yes.
At least a bite.
Yes.
No matter if we burn it, undercook it, no matter what.
Yes.
Okay.
Mystical voice that I don't
If
know
it
where you're
needs
coming
weird, still eat it.
from. Okay.
So he said he's still gonna eat it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I better not put any weird ingredients on it.
Yeah.
But we don't have anything out and ready yet. So
Okay. So let's get
go.
to it.
Mise en place.
No. Yeah.
There. Okay. Fill the oven. Ow. Which one should I push?
Oh, I can see B, E.
B8?
No. Right? No.
I'm letting you move my finger.
Right there.
Right here?
No. Up. There.
Right here?
No. Go down.
Sorry.
No. Side.
This way?
No.
Oh.
This way.
Here.
Right there.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay, now take my finger to the 4.
Okay. Down. Oh, your finger is so hard to draw. Right there.
Okay, 2.
Okay. 2. That's 2.
5.
Okay.
I think that's right. I hope that's right.
They're right there.
All right, now there should be a start somewhere, which is START.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what? No. Right there.
Here?
There.
Oh,
No.
sorry.
Up there.
right here?
Right there.
Ooh, I hear it. All right.
Alright.
That was not too bad. Ingredients.
Right here in the cabinet. No, that's not
Alright.
good.
Okay, cabinet.
Okay.
So, let me see if I can find the...
That's not the pizza stone.
Is it the pizza crust?
No.
Is it the... That's not pizza sauce.
Let me read you.
This?
No.
What is this? It feels like the pizza sauce. I remember it was in a glass jar.
No, it's not. No.
Right. Got
No.
it. You want to use
It's
this?
honey.
Oh, ew. That would not be good.
Let me tell you what you're getting. That's the pizza sauce.
Pizza sauce. Okay, we got pizza.
Okay.
Oh. I really cannot.
That's not it.
Yeah, that's not it.
That's not it. Okay, so down is the pizza crust. 2 downs are the pizza crust. Now!
No potatoes?
Yes, no potatoes.
Feels like potatoes.
That's like a pizza?
That kind of feels like a pizza
No.
crust.
No.
No?
That's not pizza crust.
Okay.
That's actually roll-up crust.
Okay.
Okay, so go down.
Alright.
Pizza.
Ow.
No.
feels like pizza.
No, that's bread for sandwiches.
Okay.
There. Oh, you're grabbing some of my straws.
The straws.
That's the straws. Hey! That's not.
That's probably not what we should do to make it pop.
I put it back.
Okay, that's good.
There we go.
Alright.
Okay. Turn.
Okay.
Boop, 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 boop. Forward.
And put it on the
Forward.
counter. Oh,
That's the forward.
that's not the counter?
No. There. I put it back.
Okay.
That's the pizza crust.
So we got everything out.
Okay.
We need to see if the pizza crust fits on the pan.
Okay. That's the pan. Ah!
Sorry.
Let me put that. Good
Alright,
start.
so that fits. So before we touch any of our ingredients, what should we do?
Wash our hands.
Wash our hands. That's
Yes.
right.
Oh!
What happened? I got a little on my wrist.
You got a lot. Don't pour it on your watch.
Okay. Alright.
No more.
There. Did I get it? Am I good now?
Yeah. Right there.
Hey! You're getting better at this. I'm sorry.
Oh,
I don't know how close
You're
you are.
making me so mad.
I didn't
You're
know
making
how.
me so mad.
I didn't know. I don't think we need it anymore. Hopefully that wasn't the sink, right?
Yeah.
Where you at?
I'm right here.
Alright. We got the oil.
Okay.
So.
Right over here.
Okay. Coming out. So.
None is coming out.
Am I getting close?
Oh, closer. Coming out.
Is that a lot?
Nope. Oh, that's a lot.
That's a lot?
Yeah.
A lot?
No.
Did I flood it?
No.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Don't fall.
Spread it. That's the oil.
Am I spreading it?
Yeah. You're spelling it really good.
That's
Spread
good.
it everywhere.
I'm just trying to go off of where I haven't spreaded it before. Spread it. Is any coming out?
Yeah, there's. Oh my.
Too
That's
much?
okay. That's okay.
Too much?
Nope.
Okay, not enough?
That's enough.
Okay. I don't know. I'm blindfolded. I didn't know. Is there
Okay.
someone that... Hopefully there's not someone inside.
There's actually some on the side.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, let's spread this out.
Ooh, that looks cute. Got some cheese on my hand.
Okay.
I'm
Alright.
spreading the cheese everywhere.
Alright, so the chef always gets a little bit of cheese for themselves, okay?
Okay.
Cheese?
Cheese.
I got best. I'm cold. The cheese is cold. That was a mistake.
The cheese is everywhere!
We've got a couple of special ingredients for Drew.
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay.
So Sophia's going to give you a couple more things to put on. We've got some special sauce
Okay.
to put on.
Okay.
So Soph, can you open it?
Let me open it.
It's cold.
It's supposed to be cold.
It's a special pizza sauce.
Okay, yeah. It's like a special and it's fancy, so it needs to be cold.
Fancy sauce. Alright.
Yes.
Try to put on it half.
Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to figure out where half is, but I gotta figure out where the pizza is.
That's the pizza.
Okay. Tell me where I'm at.
You're at the half.
Am I good? Am I doing half? Ooh.
Yeah.
Touch the sauce.
That's probably good for the special sauce.
Special
Okay.
sauce.
Okay, here's that.
Special sauce.
Now we got some mushrooms.
Yeah. Or like lettuce.
Lettuce. That's lettuce.
Yeah, that's lettuce. Lettuce.
Oh, normally
Just a little bit of lettuce.
Lettuce. It's just a plastic bag of lettuce.
You might want to give him some, Soph.
Okay.
Yeah, I just feel no one in there.
It smells good.
There's some lettuce.
Okay.
There's some
Am I
lettuce.
over the pizza?
Right there, where the
Okay.
pizza sauce is.
I can't see the pizza sauce.
Let me put some on. I put some on for you.
Okay, well that's probably better than me trying to drop them in the right place.
There we go. There we go.
And then one last ingredient.
Yeah, there's like,
It's a lot of ingredients.
Shaker tomatoes.
yeah, shaker tomatoes.
I thought we were just making a cheese pizza.
Yeah, we, actually thought of it. Let me get some nuts. Yes.
That's a lot of tomatoes.
Yeah, that's a lot of tomatoes. We got a lot of tomatoes. Put it where the... No. Over there. Oh,
What did I do?
no. You spilled it on the counter.
Okay, I'm sorry. I will clean that up later. Let's find the pizza.
Okay. So just right there.
Okay, got it.
Yes.
Is that good?
That's good.
Okay.
Now, ready to bake.
Okay.
All right. So that we do this safely, I think Mommy's gonna have to put the pizza in the oven because we don't want somebody getting burnt. That's
Boom.
you gotta be safe with a hot oven.
Yep.
Okay?
So I'll put it.
Mommy's gonna put it in there. We're gonna bake for I think 13 minutes. We're
Okay.
gonna go with 13 minutes. Hey guys, so right now we're in another room waiting on the pizza to finish cooking. Mommy put the pizza in the oven,
Yeah.
and so that it was safe.
Yeah.
And because I had a blindfold, and it's not safe to put a pizza in the oven with a blindfold, right?
Yeah.
Right. So we are waiting patiently. We're waiting patiently. What should we do while we wait? Want to play rock, paper, scissors? You want to play rock, paper, scissors?
I said Barbies.
We can do Barbies too.
Okay. Rock, paper,
wait,
scissors,
hold on.
shoe.
Come on, I was ready.
I have scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
What do you have? You have scissors. All right. So I am waiting patiently, nervously. I can hear him talking. There's a plan. There's a plan afoot. Because I can hear them whispering, and it does not sound. It doesn't sound good for me. So, wish me luck. Okay, I didn't see anything. I did just stick my hand in the pizza, so that might be saucy. Are you holding it the right way?
Yeah.
I think that's the crust.
Now take a bite. This is my room.
Right.
Why are you not eating it?
I don't know. Try to. Ooh. Okay. Oh. What was you?
Can you guess?
Did I put the honey on there?
No.
Nope.
Just open your mouth.
Wait, I want him to guess. I want to see if he can get it.
I feel like I tasted ketchup. Was there ketchup?
Nope.
No.
Part of it tasted like chips. Was there chips on there?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, I got one thing. Croutons? Burnt croutons? Tastes like burnt
Nope.
croutons.
The chips were burnt.
Oh, burnt chips.
Chips.
So close.
Aren't burnt.
Something in there was sweet, and I don't know what the sweet thing was. That's why I guess honey.
Just a second.
Ice cream? Was that the cold thing? Was ice cream?
No.
Nope.
Give me a hint.
Black.
It's a good hint.
Can you tell me what letter it starts with?
I don't know.
Look.
C.
Chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So
chocolate.
Doritos, chocolate syrup, and then what was the other one? Don't tell him yet.
Give me some hints. It's gotta be something else crunchy. There's a lot of crunch. That taste is not leaving. Not at all. Not even a little. Yeah.
Are you joking?
Maybe.
You're joking.
You want to tell him what the next one is, Soph?
Yeah.
Tell him what the last one
What was
is.
the last one? I don't know if I'm gonna get that one. Something crunchy. That's all I got.
Cereal.
Cereal. Maybe that was some of the sweet too. I didn't.
Pokemon
realize
cereal.
that. Pokemon cereal.
Can
Yep.
you?
So I was never gonna guess that.
So, yeah, take the blindfold off and take a look.
Okay. Whoa. That's a lot of ingredients. lot of.
Do you like the?
I bet he'll love the one that you made that's cheese. This
Yeah.
one was silly.
This was a silly one.
Do you like the silly one?
Yeah, it was a great surprise. It was. I don't know, I love you.
Like,
Like and subscribe.
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 All right, so much for blindfolded cooking. Take 2.
Take 2.
All right, bye, guys.
Mommy gets take 3.
Bye.